Engineering at Home, with Stephen the Engineer. So, you're enjoying a cup of coffee while reading your favorite book, and, oh no! You've spilled coffee all over your crisp white shirt. Not to worry, your trusty washing machine is here to save the day. But have you ever paused to consider the symphony of engineering at work that scrubs out those stubborn stains? Let's take a deep dive into the whirlpool of wonder that is your washing machine. In the beginning, washing clothes was all about brute force and a lot of patience. Then came the washing machine, a marvel of mechanical and electrical engineering that changed laundry day forever. But how does this trusty household helper transform dirty laundry into clean, fresh clothes? The heart of a washing machine is its electric motor. This power-packed component spins the wash drum, agitating your clothes and dislodging the dirt. It's like a vigorous workout for your garments, minus the sweat. What about the different cycles on your washing machine? From heavy-duty to delicate, each cycle is a masterclass in precision and control. The motor varies its speed and direction depending on the chosen cycle, ensuring your clothes get the right kind of treatment. It's like having a personal trainer specifically for your laundry. But the real magic happens when water and detergent join the party. The detergent molecules work on a microscopic level to make water wetter, allowing it to infiltrate the fabric and evict those pesky dirt particles. It's an epic battle happening right in your laundry room. And what about the rinse and spin cycles? They're the final boss level in the laundry game. The rinse cycle flushes out the suspended dirt and detergent, while the spin cycle uses centrifugal force to squeeze out the excess water, leaving your clothes ready for drying. Let's not forget the unsung heroes of the washing machine world, the sensors and controls. From water level sensors to temperature controls, these smart features ensure optimum efficiency and protect your machine from potential problems. It's like a high-tech security system for your laundry. And it's all happening right in your home, turning laundry day into a spectacle of science and engineering. A routine chore, sure, but under the hood, it's a complex dance of physics, chemistry, mechanics, and electronics. So, the next time you spill coffee on your shirt, remember the marvel of engineering that's ready to come to your rescue. Your washing machine is not just a handy helper, it's an engineering wonder. Who knew laundry could be so exciting? After all, there's more to washing than just soap and water.